This film is all about me and you. My name is Alex and I'm 17 years old. I live in Brighton in England. What's your name?
My name's Harry.
My name's Emma.
My name is Astrid.
My name is Holly.
How old are you?
I'm 13 years old.
I'm 13 years old.
I'm 14 years old.
I am 16 years old.
And where are you from?
I'm from England.
I'm from Spain, but I live in England.
I'm from France, but I live in England.
I'm from England, but my family live in Dubai.
I have 3 brothers, Matt, Ben and Jack. And you?
This is my sister. She's called Madeline and she's 10 years old.
And do you have any brothers?
Yes, we've got one brother. He's called Sam and he is 7 years old.
I have one sister called Tash.
And where does she live?
She lives in Spain.
I have 2 sisters called Jenny and Rowena. Rowena is 12 and Jenny is 16.
I have 2 brothers, Harry and Callum.
And how old are they?
Harry is 10 and Callum is 24.